Hi everybody, welcome to the Zinsser Bunch. This is Michael from the Painting Co. There are so many new wonderful water-based enamels on the market, but a lot of people are hesitant in using them, not knowing how to convert their existing oil-based dough to a water-based enamel. Well, the solution is simple. It's Zinsser Bulls Eye 123 Undercoat Primer Sealer and Stain Blocker. This is a water-based product that has virtually no smell and dries within half an hour. It is very easy to apply, and we'll show you how to do it. First thing we need to do is prep our dough. So we'll just simply tape around it. There we go. That's our prep work done. Whenever opening a new product, make sure you always stir it, as this is quite thick. You want to stir it into a nice painting consistency. Remember to always read the manufacturer's safety and data sheet, MSDS, and wear all the appropriate PPE equipment. It's always good to paint the dough panel by panel. We find that the 4-panel doors are much quicker if you just cut in the if you paint the borders with a brush. And there we go. This is how easy it is to undercoat the dough with the Zinsser 123. While waiting for our Zinsser 123 Bulls Eye undercoat to dry, we have already, just not to waste any time, we have already mixed up some premium water-based enamel. Painters always have one trick to check whether the undercoat is good. We call it the scratch test. So we go up to the surface, we run a nail on it, and we try to scratch off the undercoat. That means it's binded really well and it's ready for painting. Before we start painting, I always recommend to give the door a really light sand, just to make a nice smooth surface. The paint just runs really smoothly on the undercoat. That means the undercoat doesn't have so-called gloss retention. That means that your top coats will look much nicer. There you go, folks. This is how easy it is to repaint your existing enamel dough into a water-based enamel. That's the beautiful finish that you get from a combination of Zinsser undercoat and a premium water-based enamel. This is truly a revolutionary product. This is our go-to undercoat on all of our jobs now. And as I always say, Zinsser, no problem.